Which of the following incorrect for the matrix M0? It is its own inverse. That means if you find inverse, that should be same. What is M inverse? M inverse is equal to second order matrix inverse calculation. Interchange this element, then 0, 0 only come, and change the sign of this and divided by determinant A. What is determinant A? 0, 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Then 0, 1, 1, 0. That means it is having the same. M inverse is equal to M. That means this is correct. Now, it is its own transpose. What is the transpose of this matrix? M is equal to, M transpose is equal to, write this column 0, 1 and write 0, 1, then 1, 0. Then you got the same matrix. Then this also correct. It is its own transpose. Now, it is non-orthogonal. Suppose you find A into A transpose you find. What is A? We got M into M transpose. M is 0, 1, 1, 0. Right? Transpose also same. 0, 1, 1, 0. Then by multiplying this 0 plus 1, 1. Now, right. 0 plus 0, 0. Right. Now, 1, 0. 0 plus 0, 0, right. Now 1 plus 0, that is 1. It is I only. So it is orthogonal. It is orthogonal. Orthogonal means it is given that it is non-orthogonal. So this is only incorrect. So incorrect only asking. Definitely one incorrect only given. Okay. Here also you can check eigenvalues. Eigenvalues is, right. Eigenvalues is plus or minus 1, right, that also we can find it. How eigenvalue find it? Sum lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to trace of this matrix, that is 0. Product of eigenvalues, that should be equal to determinant of this matrix, 0 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 only, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 plus minus 1 0. So this also correct. So this only wrong, alright.